Hi guys, you guys have been asking me for a quick, easy 5-minute makeup look and I heard you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. And trust me, you want to watch till the end. Okay. Alright, we are going to start off with a clean face. I know I already look fabulous, but because you guys have been asking me for this 5-minute tutorial, here goes, okay? And we have a lot of time with us, so the key is be patient and don't hurry up. First up, we are going to start off with some primer, and I'm going to switch on to a really calm voice for this because I want you to know that you're supposed to be putting this very, very gently on your face. And now we're going to take a bajillion foundations, mix them all together and put it on your face because #struggles of Indian skin tone. And while you're blending it on your face, you're going to think about all the amazing things that you want out of your life.
2 hours later.
And now because I've only finished maybe 1 minute out of the 5 minutes, I'm also going to color correct under my eyes because the only bags that I like are Chanel. After that, I'm going to be using my concealer and I'm going to be drawing tribal sorts of drawings and blend, blend, blend.
8 hours later.
Take this as me time
298 frozen patties later.
and blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to take this contour stick and again draw tribal drawings all over my face, just to give our face that perfect contour. Like I said, we're only 1 minute into the video. Take your time. Blend till eternity.
The next morning.
Blend till eternity. Next up, we're going to use a little bit of baking powder. And I know baking takes a lot of time, but 5 minutes is a lot of time and we're only 2 minutes down. Now we're going to also set the rest of our face with a little bit of powder. Powder is key, my ladies. Powder is key. I'm also going to take a little bit of this bronzer and bronze my skin and really take my time with it. And while you're doing this, if somebody tells you to hurry up...
What? I said 5 minutes, okay?
So where were we? Back to bronzing. Now time for eyebrows. These are the windows to your soul. So ensure that they are arched and snatched, girl. For this, you're going to use this eyebrow pencil and really snatch them out. Because before anyone else can raise their eyebrows, yours will already be raised. And take your time. Like I said, we're only less than 3 minutes into the video. Time for eyeshadow. We're going to use 50 bajillion eyeshadows on our eyes. I know this looks like it's going to take time, but it's okay. We have time.
4 to 6 days later.
Now, the lid shade. Blend, blend, blend.
4 to 6 more days later.
And now, it's time to remove that bakage. Do this as gently as possible because it's your under eyes and you don't want to tug and pull. You also want to take a little bit of eyeshadow and deepen underneath your eyes. And now what looks like a medieval torture tool, or what laymen like to call an eyelash curler, I'm going to curl my lashes and wear some mascara. Time for some blush. I'm going to use a generous amount of this blush on my cheeks because, that's when you know that I've really taken the time. Time for some highlight. I'm going to drench myself in this highlight because, like all you guys know, I am a highlight hoe. I need to glow to the gods, or else my life goes in vain. I'm also going to spritz my face with a little bit of makeup fixer and truly take this time to reflect on my life.
Yeah, babe. Yeah, I'm just parking the car, yeah? Yeah. 2 minutes, yeah, I'll be there. Okay.
So where were we? Oh yes, reflecting on our life. hurry up. Just put the lipstick and get going. No, girl. That's not the video for today. We're going to take our time lining our lips and use at least 3 lip products to achieve our look today. First up, lip liner. Then this Huda Beauty lipstick. Also, I just got this new and I wanted to show off. So, can you see how amazing it looks on my lips? I'm also going to mix it with this Tarte lipstick. And with the power of editing, I'm going to show you how little time I took to look as bomb as this. So yes, that is it. I just spent 5 minutes doing this 15 years worth of makeup class on my face. And I am going to lie to you anytime you see me telling you that I did this in 5 minutes. Okay? See you later. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, I'm here. Where are you? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm there. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I just wanted to kind of tell you guys why for me arriving late is okay, but not being on point isn't. And girls out there, I know you relate to this video, so you do it, I do it, everyone's guilty of it. So I think you need to share this with everyone that you think is going to relate. And yeah, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.